Mistral AI launches open-source models for ubiquitous AI deployment. Mistral AI, a leading European artificial intelligence startup, has released its most ambitious product line to date, the Mistral 3 family. This suite of 10 open-source models is designed to run on a diverse range of devices, from smartphones and drones to enterprise cloud systems, directly challenging both U.S. tech giants and emerging Chinese competitors in the AI landscape. The shift towards flexible, accessible AI, the Mistral 3 family includes the flagship Mistral Large 3 model and a series of smaller Mistral 3 models optimized for edge computing. All models are released under the Apache 2 license, enabling unrestricted commercial use. A key distinction from the closed systems offered by OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. This move signals Mistral's bet that the future of AI lies in flexible, customizable deployments, rather than solely in building ever larger, proprietary systems. Guillaume Lampel, Mistral's chief scientist, notes that open-source contributions are rapidly closing the gap with closed systems, allowing for faster development and wider accessibility. This approach is about giving businesses maximum control over AI tailored to their specific needs, often leveraging smaller models that can run offline. Prioritizing efficiency over frontier performance, Mistral's strategy diverges from the recent trend of industry leaders, focusing on increasingly capable, agentic AI systems. Instead, the company is prioritizing breadth, efficiency, and what Lampel calls distributed intelligence. Mistral Large 3 employs a mixture of experts architecture with 41 billion active parameters, from a total pool of 675 billion, processes both text and images, and supports context windows up to 256,000 tokens. Crucially, it was trained with a strong emphasis on non-English languages, a rare feature in leading AI systems. The Mistral 3 lineup, comprising 9 compact models in 3 sizes, 14B, 8B, and 3B parameters, is perhaps more significant. Each variant serves a specific purpose: base models for customization, instruction-tuned models for general tasks, and reasoning-optimized models for complex logic. The smallest models can run on devices with just 4 GB of VRAM using 4-bit quantization, making advanced AI accessible on standard laptops, smartphones, and embedded systems without cloud dependency. The enterprise advantage: cost and control. Mistral's approach is fundamentally different from closed-source competitors. Rather than competing solely on benchmark performance, the company targets enterprise clients frustrated by proprietary systems costs and inflexibility. Lampel points out that customers often face a dead end when the best closed-source model doesn't work out of the box. Mistral's solution is to work directly with clients, analyzing problems, creating synthetic training data, and fine-tuning smaller models to outperform larger systems on specific tasks. Lampel states that in over 90% of cases, a fine-tuned small model can suffice, at a fraction of the cost and with benefits like data privacy, lower latency, and improved reliability. Navigating a crowded open-source market, Mistral's release comes amid fierce competition from OpenAI GPT-5.1, Google Gemini 3, and Anthropic Opus 4.5, all of whom have recently launched enhanced agentic systems. However, Lampel argues that these comparisons miss the point. While acknowledging a slight performance gap, Mistral is catching up, playing what he calls a strategic long game. The real competition lies in the open-source space, particularly with Chinese companies like DeepSeek and Alibaba's QN series, which have made significant strides. Mistral differentiates itself through multilingual capabilities, extending beyond English and Chinese. Multimodal integration, handling text and images in a unified model, and easier customization via fine-tuning. Beyond models, a full-stack enterprise AI platform, Mistral's strategy extends beyond model development to encompass a full-stack enterprise AI platform. Recent product launches include Mistral Agents API, Magistral, a reasoning model, Mistral Code, an AI-powered coding assistant, and LeChat, a consumer assistant enhanced with deep research mode. AI Studio, a production AI platform, provides observability, agent runtime, and AI registry capabilities for enterprise tracking and fine-tuning. This comprehensive offering positions Mistral as a global enterprise AI company providing not just models, but also application-building tools, compute infrastructure, and dedicated engineering support. The importance of open source for customization and sovereignty. Mistral's commitment to open source development under permissive licenses is both an ideological and competitive advantage. Fine-tuning open models on proprietary data, customizing architectures, and ensuring transparency in decision-making are capabilities impossible with closed systems. This approach is critical for regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and defense. The company has already secured partnerships with governments and public sector organizations, including France's Army and Job Agency, Luxembourg's government, and various European institutions. Mistral's transatlantic approach, with teams across both continents, may prove strategically important as geopolitical tensions around AI development intensify. The question now is whether enterprises will prioritize absolute performance or the control, cost-effectiveness, and independence offered by open, customizable alternatives. Mistral is betting on the latter, positioning itself at the center of a potential shift towards ubiquitous, distributed AI.